Well, hi guys, welcome to Oz Workshop again. I just thought I'd give you a little video of a newest addition to the workshop, which is a bandsaw. Unfortunately, my dinky little Ryobi bandsaw spat the dummy the other day, and along with a broken blade, lumps of metal started to come out. So we had some cast iron pieces snap off, and so I thought, what a good idea to spend a little money. I went up to my wife and cried a lot, and she felt so sorry for me. She said, go and buy yourself a replacement, which was really good, because there's two things she didn't do. She didn't set me a budget, and she didn't say what size my replacement could be. So I went down to my good friends down at Pop's Shed in Melbourne. They're eastern suburbs, Chirnside Park, the northeastern suburbs, Chirnside Park, Lilydale area, and they supplied me with a brand new 14-inch bandsaw. Well, firstly, it comes very well packed in a big box. 92 kilograms is the weight of the box, and so I actually had to pull it apart inside the car, taking the pieces out. But I finally did it, and here is the brand new bandsaw. And what I like about this bandsaw, apart from the pricing, look, yes, it is a Chinese manufactured bandsaw, but to my mind, most of the so-called branded saws and machinery on the market today basically start off their life in China. We don't have a manufacturing industry in smaller tools. They're either coming from somewhere overseas, being imported, and the type of material coming out of China these days can be quite good, because people like Pop's Shed are sourcing this material. They're going there, they're inspecting it. They are writing a spec, which and a standard that they want the manufacturer to. And look, for the money, this is an amazing tool. In the industry now, anywhere between a 14-inch bandsaw, which this is, anywhere between $800 and a couple of $1,000 you could pay for a good saw. I got this on special. It's on special right at the moment at Pop's Shed for $590. But it only took me It only took me a couple of hours. I mean, I'm slow, but it only took me a couple of hours to set up and to calibrate the saw. But one of the safety features which I really like on this machine is you can't run the saw with the door open. Now, that may be standard on other machines, but on the little machine that I had before, you could open up the whole thing and the thing would be still running. So if you do open up the doors, it will switch off and run to a stop. So that's a safety feature which is really good. It comes with a half-inch blade, but you can get varying size blades, all available at Pop's Shed, and it has a very good fence system to it. And when you unpack it, of course, it comes like all basically cast iron tables. It comes with grease on there from the manufacturer, so it's we had to clean that up. I used just a mineral spirit, a methylated spirit, then a bit of RD40 just to rub into the top, and I've got to get some wax, which I'll go up to Pop's Shed and get some wax for the tabletop, and just get that in there, and that gives it, and work that into the tabletop, and that prevents rust.
The ripping width against the fence is quite generous on the machine, as is the height adjustment, which does give you a maximum material
The other
cut
thing I like about the saw is this
200
automatic
millimeters.
Emergency stop button. It's quite good, and also it has if you click it has a click function that protects that, so any little fingers that might be visiting your workshop can't easily access that. So there you are. So if you're cutting bowl blanks, or indeed you're making bandsaw boxes, it's a great little tool. And yeah, thanks to the guys down at Pop Shed who have made it available. So that's the bandsaw. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll do a little bit of work on it. You'll see it now throughout my videos on some of the things we make in the shop. And yeah, one more plug for Pop Shed in Melbourne. Read the details. Thank you. We'll see you again.